Hey guys, it's Mandy with Turf Masters. I hope everyone has stayed dry and safe over the last few days with this crazy rain we had. Now, we've had really warm weather up until today, of course, but really warm weather and lots of rain. So what does that mean for your lawn? It means the weeds are coming. Now, if you already have our lawn care program, we've been applying pre-emergent and post-emergent weed control to your lawn and will continue to do so. So the pre-emergent weed control helps prevent and reduce the number of weeds you have in the future. The post-emergent weed control helps knock back all the existing weeds you have in your lawn. Now, if you don't have our lawn fertilization and weed control program, now is the time to act. If you act now and we can get these products in your lawn, you will have a healthier, more dense, greener lawn this spring and summer. So don't wait, give us a call, 888-924-8873 and get started today. See you soon.